Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on SEI, or SEI. I never know how to pronounce this, but let's call it SEI. Wanted to give you my thoughts on it right here. Someone requested it. I think it was actually one person that requested it. But I've had my eyes on SEI for quite a long period of time, so I thought, why not? Let's do an update on it. We actually saw a decent volume increase over the last 24 hours. I mean, 14% increase in volume is not that much, but going into the weekend, it's quite, well, you don't often see that. And I think the structure for SEI is very interesting here as well. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it here. We'll do a full technical analysis. We'll talk about the fundamentals a little bit as well. But that's it. All right, so let's get right into it. And let's start with the fundamentals, because I have more to say regarding the technicals, and I think the technicals are more important here. And in the end, I mean, the fundamentals are always included within the technicals, I believe at least. This is an efficient market theory. But no, fundamentally, SEI, if you look at the last month, it's been doing relatively well. I mean, especially in September, we had a huge total value TVL growth of their network. I would say in general, like you can see that there's quite a lot of decentralized applications on SEI as well. But personally, I mean, I never really hear anything happening on SEI. It's also like SEI historically has been quite correlated with SUI. SUI you hear much more about, all right? So that has also seen a massive network growth. But with SUI, I also hear about protocols really growing, Cetus, Scallop, for example, meme coins being developed. Now, I have dabbled around on the SEI network for some time. I still hold some NFTs on there, actually. But overall, I think this growth we've seen, and the growth has also stopped quite a bit over October so far. It's bullish, but it's much less bullish if you compare to something like SUI. Now, what I like a lot more about SEI, though, is the technicals here, especially since we broke above this previous high at 40 cents, which is also a major psychological level, of course. I think technically and structurally, we are exceptionally bullish, all right? Because you can see after that bullish, or after the breakout, excuse me, SEI has kind of been up and down. I would say it's consolidating, all right? I think this is one of the most clear consolidations we have in the market, where we are consolidating between two major key levels and also psychological levels, which are 40 cents and 50 cents, all right? So we're just consolidating in that area. So that's neutral, but we are consolidating after having gotten a major bullish breakout. All right, so the way I see SEI right now, to kind of get a drawing going, is that we were in a massive downtrend, right? I mean, SEI was bearish for a very long period of time. So that was going on right here. But then eventually we found support here. We dropped down lower once more, found support here. That's right here, right? And now we actually, after breaking above 40 cents, so this is that 40 cents level, we actually got the bullish breakout. And now we're in this stage. We're consolidating in this area. But that means that for the first time in a very long period of time, the structure has changed to where now, I would argue, it's actually relatively bullish. So let me delete this real quick. But that's interesting, because a structure like that is usually the start of some sort of a continuation. So we are now consolidating between 50 and 40 cents. And I expect that to continue. All right, so I think for now we'll just stay in this consolidation. But when we're talking in these circumstances with the fundamentals of SEI and the technical structure, when we're talking about a breakout, I think it's a matter of time before we break out above this level between 49 and 50 cents, and that we actually rally back up to the next target at 60 cents. I do think we can at least get one more breakout and one more continuation before we will start talking about getting bearish again. All right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know about SEI. For now, like I said, summary, short term, I expect this consolidation to hold, but I do think that bullish breakout is coming and you need to be ready for it. If you're interested in that, I will keep you updated on when I think it's coming. So let me know down in the comments, but this is at least for now what I think you need to know, right? So thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos. Have a great weekend and bye.